My family is neither small nor big. There are 8 members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my 2 older brothers, my younger brother, my older sister, my younger sister, and me. My father is a teacher. He is 66 years old. My mother is a housewife. She works at home. She is a few years younger than my father. My 2 older brothers are a soldier and a bodyguard.
My older sister is a farmer. My younger sister is also a housewife. She is married and has 2 children. My younger brother is a hairdresser, and I am a teacher. I go to school every day.
Everyone in my family is kind and happy. My father and mother love us very much.
They buy many things for us. Sometimes they take us to tourist sites. They also tell us many interesting stories. They often help us with our work and studies. In short, I love my family very much.